everybody, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramenator for a discount. This is a Pokemon butter, corn butter shoyu, butter corn shoyu. A lot of Pokemon on there. There's Pokemon on there as well, and on the other underside there's Pokemon. So I hope you are enjoying your day full of Pokemon noodling. I just went for a really long walk and now I'm back, and this is not the right one, right? No, this is the wrong one. I need the other one. One moment. And here is the other one. So let's make this work here. I am beat. This is like in a week I haven't gone out really doing any walking to speak of. Today I just like chugged out like 8 miles like a freaking crazy bat out of hell. So I am tired and sore and beat, which is good. I like that. And what else is going on? Basically, while it is a Thursday, it's acting like a Monday. But don't you worry, it will continue to act as the day that you're experiencing in that far-flung future. I wanted to bring out the political correspondent today, but I'm beat now. He can stay back. He'll be out again soon. But the big news today is no, we have no bananas. We just have no House of Representatives leader guy. And it just keeps going and going and going and going. They did 8 votes now. That lady who calls the roll, I mean, I'm sure she does it a lot anyways, but, like, that's saying people's last names and who they're voting for so often. God. I don't know. That's a lot of work. Her face must just be tired of being a face. I would be. My face would rebel against such things. But, you know, that's her job. I wonder how much you get paid to say these elected representatives' names over and over and over. I'm sure it's not bad. It's got to be decent pay, right? I mean, it's an important thing to do. It's part of the parliamentary procedure of the people and the stuff. So, yeah. Sorry, I am just beat. I was thinking, meh, I'll do some reviews. We'll see. But, yeah, eventually. You know, I'm doing reviews. So, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. I don't know. I did my exercise. Now I'm going to do some reviews. And then take a nap. I swear to God. Going from, you build up like stamina for walking and all that junk, and then you like leave it be. Oh man, I really haven't walked much in the last week. I think the most I did was like 10,000 steps, and I cranked out straight, like literally maybe 1 or 2 very short stops. I think I just walked, I get back like around 11:30. Yeah. And I like speed walk too for like 2 hours straight. I just feel, yeah. But my foot seems to be happy, so that's the most important thing. I was thinking about going out again, but no, that's enough. Maybe I'll do something longer tomorrow. But we are about done. So let's give this a try. You sit there. Here is our Pokemon Noodle Doodle. Actually, it's not Noodle Doodle, it's not from Pakistan. Looks like noodles and soup. And the whole thing about these is that they have kamaboko. Where'd it go? Yeah. Little Pikachu heads on them. Isn't that something, folks? Let's try the Noodle. These are Sapporo Ichiban, and they do quite a few of these cups. Cheers. Like a pre-seasoned noodle. Here's our broth. Yeah, it's very buttery. There's corn in there. It's as advertised, folks. It is a corn and butter shoyu, which usually I'm used to seeing corn and butter miso. So. Not bad, not exceptionally wonderful, but not bad. So, yes. Come on, no splashing on me. We got any? Yeah, we sure do. We have a load of Pikachu Kamaboko coming down. You know, look at all those. It's almost like SpaghettiOs. Cray cray. Alright, so let's throw on our Shoyu. And give that a little spike of heat. There you go. That's good. And a little bit of spring onion. Not gonna go crazy today. I really don't have my garnish game up. I'm really not super prepared. I'm trying to do like 20 things as fast as I can. And a little bit of sesame seed. I'd like to welcome our newest member of Section 42, the moderation group for the Ramen Junkies group. A guy named Pete, and Pete works at a ramen shop. Second one he's worked for, and he knows his chops, so that's pretty cool. Nice add to our crew. I'm glad he accepted the join request. He's the one who gave me the recipe to make this chashu. So that's pretty rad. So Rotato, do your stuff. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one we're gonna have is this. The company's called Can DIY. They're like weird candy things, and it's gummy noodles. Cup O Crazy. So this should be interesting. Something to try out. It's got goo, it's got candy chopsticks, and it's got candy noodles, so we'll give it a try. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.